Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you how to replace front brake pads of Dacia Logan 1, which is produced from 2004 till 2013. It's very easy to do it. Just remove the bolts, the bottom one, and loose the top one, and lift the brake caliper that keep the pads, brake pads holder. Then you have to put the piston of the caliper back, because the new brake pads are thicker and you have to fit on the place, yeah. For that we don't use the usual tool that is for brake piston, put it back. We use the other tools because Dacia it's different. We can't use it, that's useful here. It's not useful, useless here. That's why we use different tool. We have it in our garage. You'll see it now. It's very easy to put it. You see that one? Yeah. That we're using. Then because there's an edge of the disc, this old disc, always when we have old disc, you have to take the edge, bottom and top of the brake pads, and you have to clean the paint that's on the brake pads, because they have to move freely in the into the caliper, otherwise may hold the brake pads in and tight, and the wheel may go hot, very hot. That's cause problem. The brake pads it's may not go the same for the left hand side and the right side. That's causing problem. And that's it for the changing of the brake pads of the Dacia Logan, front brake pads of Dacia Logan. Thank you very much for visiting our channel. That one is a FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one is a Peter's Garage. Thank you.